Hello, what's up guys, welcome to Ama82K. In this specific tutorial I'll be talking about Amapiano drums for club bangers. Alright, so let's say you have a basic house drum pattern, which is this, because most of the Amapiano songs they use this feel. So for club bangers we don't do full kick, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna have to try to remove some. So we're gonna have maybe two. You understand? So this is what you're gonna do if you wanna do something for club bangers. Alright, so I'm going to remove 2. So I'm removing 2. So you have something like this. And then, yeah, you're done. You can see that you're into the head. Yes, let your head go high and do catch. That's how you can create the Amapiano drums for club. Alright, you have to at least take out some kicks on some of the section, right? And then another thing that you can do is on this you can also remove some. For example, if you remove 1, you'll be left with something like this. I'm just trying to show you the simple way you can be able to create the Amapiano drums, the ones that can fit for club music. So you can see that you see this silent, like where we removed the second clap, which is this part, right? So it to give people, that moment of silence so that they can come back to the second beat, because drums is all about bars and beats, So this is what they do, right? So when you're done with something like this, right, you need something, especially for these club bangers, they like to play around with like a triplet, like like triplets, like you can tell, like if you have listened to most of the Amapiano music, this is what I'm talking about. So for that, like you needed something else different. So in this case, I have this. So if you go to like maybe 16 grid or not 16, triplet, right? You choose 16 here on the time 16, and then you choose triplet. So now find where you can come up with that source. So from here you can have can you have something quick like you see? So you see this is like a triplet. So if you go for like 8, let me change to 8. So this is 8. I can even have and this type of drum groups, they are steady and they give people that ability, to come up with some dance moves for TikTok. Because of this, they'll be following that, trying to, do something. So this is how you're gonna achieve that Amapiano drums for club bangers. But then now there are some certain beats. When I say beats, I'm not talking about instrumental. I'm talking about, these boxes, isn't it from here to here? It's like 1 bar. I mean, from here, right? So we have 1 bar and then we have this subdivision. So these are the beats. So there are some boxes or beats that they need to be highlighted. So for people to, to have that, that mood, that vibe, that, So those beats, including these ones, you see, especially when it before the first bar, because we have this is a first bar, right? Like one bar, one second bar. So before the start of a bar, not before the first bar, before the start of a bar. There, for example, we have this, right? We have here, we have, so on those parts, you can also try to emphasize those parts. For example, like this. You see? Like, or if you don't emphasize that, you emphasize the beginning of that bar, right? So for example, if it's, you see there, so that is why I have something like this here, which is here. So if you listen for the, yeah, so now you can try other bars. You see here, I am emphasizing the beginning of that. So if you make it knock, it gives people the ability of coming up with, and you see, I emphasized that first bar, and then I went to emphasize that before. Remember I told you, like before, was here, it is before of the beginning of the bar, right? So what I'm putting here, it is emphasizing that beginning of the bar. Like, so I said, the two sections that you need to pay attention, that you're going to emphasize, is before the bar. For example, like this is bar number 2, which is right here, right? So bar number 2 is starting here. Just before, like before, there's something like, there's something, so you can emphasize before, and even on top of that, so you can have da 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 da. You understand? That this is what I did. Yeah, one on the beginning, then again. So this, it makes, you do like as if something is crazy, like something is moving you. So those are the surprising sounds that you hear, like when you're listening to a steady beat, and then it just hook you from nowhere. Like you be like, what's happening now? So obviously the riser it will be important. So, like I said, you can try to create that house beat, try to reduce some kicks and some others. These ones we have like some silence, but we're still trying to go along with that house feel type music. So I actually did some other emphasis of other sections that would be more extra, but you can. So this one I'm just emphasizing my heads, and I also have this. I think this two I need it here as well. I think I need it here. Guys, thank you for watching. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.